What's going on? Hey, this is Micah White here. Hey, look, I want to do this quick review of the multiple income funnel. Now, hey, look, I just signed up with this and I haven't promoted it yet, so I don't have any results to show you as of yet, but I am doing a review just to show you what's inside the system and just show you how powerful this thing is. Mac right here, Mac Mills. I've been in some of his programs and he always put first class stuff together. So when I saw that Mac had put this program together, I said, look, I got to look at this. And of course, I joined, obviously. But I always know anything that he puts together is always first class. A lot of people have a lot of success with his programs and his systems. So I said, hey, this got to be a pretty good thing for him to put his name on it. Okay. But let's start this quick review that I want to do. Okay. When you get signed up, okay, this is where you're going to come. You're going to come to this page. You want to watch this first. And this video is just going to give you a brief rundown of what the business is about and some of the success some people are having. Step number 2, this is very simple. So if you're a newbie, this is a very easy system to get set up and get going with. Okay. Step number 2, what you want to do, you want to set up your income streams. Now, what multiple income funnel is, it's just a hub of some very successful, proven income streams, businesses that Mac has put together in one system. And what happens is when people come in, each system that you set up, each income stream that you set up, that can potentially increase your income tremendously because each one of them are proven businesses. They've proven to convert if you promote them. I mean, they are proven to convert. But the first income stream is the funnel itself, multiple income funnel, which is $49 a month, and you earn $20 residuals off your active members in your downline. Okay, so you can build a tremendous income stream, far as a residual income stream, with the people that is on your team. Okay. So like I said, the number 1 income stream is the funnel itself. The number 2 income stream is Easy One Up. Easy One Up, it is a proven time and time again, it's been proven to convert. Does very well for a lot of people. When you come in at Easy One Up, like I say, watch this video and get set up with Easy One Up. And I can tell you within Easy One Up, you want to get positioned as high as possible because you have to own the level before you can get paid on that level. So me personally, I don't like to leave money on the table. So in Easy One Up, I come in at the highest level possible, which is the $2,000 level. Now, everybody may not can come in at that, and that's fine. Pick the level that you're comfortable and that you can do. Come in at that level and work your way up to the highest level. Reinvest back in your business and work your way up to the highest level so you do not miss any commissions at all. So if someone comes in and they decide to get the $2,000 package, guess what? You earn a $2,000 commission. Okay. Income stream number 3 is TextBot AI. Okay. And this is very powerful. I mean, you can earn anywhere from $100 to $500 when someone comes in your TextBot AI business. Now, think about it. TextBot AI is an SMS marketing service. And man, people now, emails, people don't read, we don't read our emails. I mean, just think about it. Look at your email and just look at how many unread messages that you have. Now, when you get a text on your phone, you're looking at that text. It's a very high probability that when you get that notification that you got a text, you're opening up that message and you're reading it. And if it's a link within that text, guess what? A lot of times we're going to that link, checking it out. This is why TextBot AI is so powerful. And so, like I said, you earn $100 to $500 per transaction. So when someone comes in your business, hey, think about it. It don't take a lot of $100 or a lot of $500 commissions to really add up. So TextBot AI does a very good job of promoting the business. All you're doing is promoting a phone number or a web address. They go to it, and Ava, the automated voice assistant, automated virtual assistant, hey, she takes over, and your hands are free. All you do is just run traffic to a phone number, just advertise a phone number or a website, whichever one you want to do. Very powerful. And it takes over. It does all the heavy lifting, all the work, all the follow up. It does all this stuff for you. Okay. Now, income stream number 4 is traffic authority. This is where you get the traffic to send to this funnel. You buy traffic and you send to this link. You send it to your multiple income funnel, and you can also earn commissions on the traffic packages that people will purchase. When your prospects, when people that's under you, when they come in and they want to buy traffic, guess what? You earn a commission. If you've bought traffic through Traffic Authority and you pick a particular package, which you can earn commissions anywhere from $80 to $3,200 off their traffic packages. But just like Easy One Up, you have to own that package. So just say, for instance, if you come in at the gold, okay, or if someone purchases the gold, okay, guess what? You'll earn a commission based off that commission structure that's set for the gold package. Okay. And like I said, just like Easy One Up, you have to own the package. So you go here, you buy your traffic and advertise your link. Now, here's the links. Now, this right here, this business right here, it is done for you. If you are not tech savvy, you don't know how to create lead capture pages, you don't know how to manage a autoresponder and send out emails, guess what? It's done for you. It is done for you. You just come here. These are the lead capture pages, and this is what you advertise right here. Okay, when you set your system up, your username and all that stuff, okay, this is what you advertise. This is what you send traffic to right here. You have lead capture page 1, 2, lead capture page 3. And like I said, I haven't started promoting this yet, but I am getting ready to start. And I really like this lead capture page 3. I think a lot of people is having success with this particular page, but probably a lot of people is having success with all of them. But lead capture page 3 is the one that sort of catches my eye. And like I said, when they come here, they look at the video and they leave their email. They'll prompt them to put their email address in. And guess what? They do everything for you. They follow up with the client, with the potential prospect, you don't have to do anything but collect your commissions. You can come in here and like I said, you just promote this. You just promote your link. Okay. And let's see what else they got. Resources. Let's go to resources. Okay, you have emails. So if you're the type you want to collect your own emails and you have an autoresponder, hey, we have done for you emails right here. All you got to do is plug them into your autoresponder, and they'll shoot them out to your prospects. Web banners that you can use, advertise with. Very professionally done, proven to convert. So your web banners. See what else they got. Social media images. Okay, look at this. Who wouldn't click on that? Who wouldn't go and hit the like button and say, hey, send me more information. I want to know more about what this is. Very professionally done. Eye-catching. Creates curiosity. So, very professional. Just throw them up on your Facebook timeline. And, hey, people will respond to it. Okay, Facebook post. There's a Facebook post that you can, put up on Facebook, and people will respond for more information or whatever. Your leaderboards. Here's where you have your leads, your team. It's where you can go buy traffic. So, like I said, everything is done for you. Everything is set up, ready to go, proven. Okay, we got a Facebook group. Let's go to the Facebook group. Okay. Here, this is where we come and people post up their results and welcoming people to the group. So you have that support. You have that support net when you need a question answered or whatever. Hey, stick it up on the Facebook group. People are more than glad to answer your questions and help you along. Okay. Diego John, he just received a Powerline payment through Easy One Up, the Vertex Elite, $500. Okay. Okay, here's one, Laura Grady. She's put, this system is awesome. Another $220 earned. Thank you, Mac, for this awesome system. Let's see what else we got. Some results wise. Okay, Victor. Victor, he not a bad day considering I decided to take the day off. Hey, stuff still coming in. That's the name of the game. That's the name of the game. 180, 2020, 180, 20. Hey, not a bad day. Here's Sam Randall. Total sales, $7,750. $2,850. That's an income stream. That's the text bot income stream. He's I think that's it right there. He's earned that. He's earned money off the traffic. So people are making money. People are making money. So that's why I'm excited to start promoting this. And I want you to follow me. I want you to keep track of what I'm doing, because I'm going to start posting up my results. I'm going to start running some traffic to this thing. And here shortly, I will have some results. So link arms with me. Okay, here's another one here. Who is this? Jeff Ruiz. Hey, look at this. This is residual. These are commissions from the system, from the $49 that you pay for the multiple income funnel. And this is on the annual, the 180, that's on the annual. But people that's paying it by the month, here's the $20 commissions. So, like I said, this is powerful. People are making money. So, hey, come on, let's make some money together. Hey, my link is right beneath this video. Just click that link and go look at the presentation, look at these videos, and let's get signed up. Get signed up and let's rock this thing out, because this is going to be this is big for a lot of people right now. I think it's been around for 2 or 3 months now, and a lot of people are making some money. And why can't you? Why not? Why not you? I mean, it's your decision. Just make that decision. Click the link right beneath this video. Click it now and let's get started. Okay, you should see all my contact information for Facebook, YouTube. Just link up with me. I'm sure you'll be watching this video on YouTube, on my Facebook timeline or something, or somewhere. But hey, let's link up and let's make this money. I mean, because it's here. It's here for all of us. And with me, you have a strong leader, and we're going to make this happen, and I'll help you make it happen. But this is Micah White. I'm going to sign off. But until the next video, hey, look, people, peace and prosperity. Click that link below. All right. Have a good day.